Today we are doing a functional exercise with a kettlebell, appropriate for a little more advanced practitioners crowd. It's not a true beginner exercise, but it could be tried with a very light weight to begin with. If you don't have any issues with your shoulders, you're just looking to improve their mobility and strength, you could begin those exercises with very light weight. Today I will be using a 16-pound kettlebell, which is medium weight for me. It's not very heavy, but I do it in a way that it's more appropriate for function rather than building a massive bulk. Always start with lower weight than you think you should. And for today's exercise, we're going to do a combination with a halo, which really expands the range of motion of the shoulders. It improves our mobility and strength in the upper body and shoulders. It is very important for the recruitment of small muscles, for the health of the fascia. We get to lubricate the fascia with moves like this one, and that really fits into our real life. So let's begin. After you have been warmed up, so this you can do after any other class where you have moved enough and you're warmed up, you can grab your weight, start lower, and we are going to do a biceps curl. This is just a demonstration. Lift it up and give me a round the head halo. Now around the head, keep the weight very close to the head. Hug your ribs in so they don't flare, and don't let your back, lower back swing back. Keep everything very steady, and the lower belly involved. Elbows in, and they're going to stay relatively in around the head when we go into the halo. Open them just enough to do the move, but don't flare them because we're losing the function there. And don't move your body as you move your weight. We're only moving the weight, so we're not flinging the body around. And do not shrug the shoulders. Leave them just naturally in the way that the move requires. So let's begin, and we're going to alternate. Keep this as a core exercise. Feet, tripods, steady, and learn to breathe on exertion, exhalation. Usually 8 to 10 reps is enough, or to do 3 sets of the same. Great. For a finisher, we're just going to do biceps curl to overhead press. 5 to 8 of those. I'm already feeling them, but that's just the final burn. Woo. Feet strong, tripods of the feet activated. I have a foot tripod class in my beginner series. And we are done for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and check out my other short segments of classes. I'm going to build a whole library with short segments of very important exercises that can help your posture, your strength, your execution of exercises, and your workouts as a whole. So I'll see you soon.